SpringWell Whole House Well Water Filter System. SpringWell Whole House Well Water Filter System Review. Best whole house water filtration system for well water. The SpringWell Whole House Well Water Filter System uses a unique air injection technology. Well water flows through a tiny pocket of air at the top of the tank, oxidizing or adding oxygen to the water. SpringWell's single-tank oxidizing filter uses an efficient, powerful patented piston built inside the control valve. Set it and forget it. This cost-effective well water filtration system works using an electronically pre-programmable control, which means your home receives continuous auto-filtered well water with low maintenance costs. Innovative certified copper zinc media flex bed and coconut shell alloy filtration removes annoying sulfur odor and taste, magnesium, and iron. A programmable daily backwash feature cycles contaminants away from the main water source. The SpringWell measures 10 by 54 inches, filters 12 gallons per minute at temperatures between 36 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit using 1-inch standard connectors. Filter replacement is guaranteed every 10 years or 1 million gallons, and that makes the SpringWell the best whole house water filtration system for well water. Warranty: 6-month satisfaction guaranteed from initial purchase. Pros: innovative Bluetooth app connectivity, affordable 2-pack filter replacement, 4-stage proprietary design. Cons: poor communication from manufacturer, requires smartphone Bluetooth to install, DIY instructions and parts don't match.